Here's how to fix a column in Excel so it doesn't disappear when you scroll. Open your spreadsheet and click on the column letter to the right of what you want to keep visible. Want to freeze column A? Click on column B. Want to freeze A and B? Click on column C. Head up to the View tab and look for freeze panes in the window section. Click the little drop-down arrow and pick freeze panes from the options. This locks everything to the left of where you clicked. Now, when you scroll sideways, that column stays put. You'll see a thin gray line showing where the freeze happens. Everything left of that line won't move when you scroll right. If you change your mind later, go back to View. Click Freeze Panes again and pick Unfreeze Panes. Everything goes back to normal. There's a faster way for just the first column. Click Freeze Panes and choose Freeze First Column. This automatically locks column A without all the clicking around. Really handy when you have headers or ID numbers you need to see all the time. You can freeze rows and columns together too. Just click on a cell where you want both to freeze. The rows above and columns to the left will stay locked while everything else scrolls around.